local camel race in the middle of Saudi Arabia.
يتقدم عيد بن ظاهر.
Standing here in the middle of a camel race, and it's about to start soon. People are preparing. It's fascinating. I came across this place by chance. It's a local camel race in the middle of Saudi Arabia. The camel handlers and owners were curious and happy to show me around, giving me a beautiful peek into a classic regional sport. Camels have long played an important role in Saudi Arabia and beyond. They were crucial for centuries as a means of transportation through the unforgiving deserts. Through the years, camel races became a form of entertainment, with the first taking place as early as the 7th century. These days, the sport seems ever more popular, as a symbol of wealth and a celebration of traditional culture. With modern times come different ways. The jockeys that used to ride the camels have been replaced by small robots, including an automatic whip and microphone, which the camel trainers then operate remotely in jeeps and SUVs.
ليتابع الوصول والاندفاع. يا سلام يا سلام. اوصلت شندارة أخرى.
It's rough and wild, and I'm currently being driven around by this very kind gentleman. It's stunning. In the middle of the desert here in Saudi Arabia, this Saturday camel race.